back to Little Miss Drop Stitch, and a big congratulations, because if you're at this video it means you've successfully knitted your piece of fabric and you're ready to take it off the needle. We've got live stitches which will all come undone, so we have to do what's called casting off. Okay, and I'll show you how to do that. So first stitch, do whatever the pattern says, so whether that's knit or purl, you'll do that as normal. Okay, so knit that off. The second stitch, again, following the pattern whether it says knit or purl. If it doesn't say, then just knit. So we'll knit that one again. Okay, and what we're going to do now on our right hand needle, we're going to take the second stitch over the first, okay, by putting it over the needle like that, and that won't come undone. I'll show you in a close-up in a moment as well. So now we've just got one stitch on the right hand needle. You should only ever have two or one, no more. So again, work the next stitch, I'm going to knit it and then pull the second stitch over the first, and it will start to come off your needle nice and securely. Now let's show you in close up. So as promised, there's only ever one or two stitches on the right needle. So again, we work the stitch, so you're still going to work them all. The only difference is you'll be pulling one over the other on this side. So we've now got two stitches. Get your needle there, let's do that again. So we've worked our stitch and then needle through, a bit like to purl, through the front diagonally and pull over the top. And keep doing this until the end, and then I'll show you what to do. Okay, we've just knitted our last stitch, so there's nothing now on the left hand needle. We'll put that down, and as you know, we can only ever have one or two on the right hand needle, no more, no less, okay? So you can still use your needle or your fingers. Okay, pull that second stitch over the first, and we've got one, but this one is still a live stitch, so if I was to take it off and pull the yarn, it would come undone. So what you want to do now is snip your yarn. It would be wise to leave enough for sewing up if that's what you plan to do with your knitting. With the magic of editing, I'm now nice and prepared and have my scissors. Okay, so then cut your yarn, fab, and then all you want to do is pull this through the loop. So I like to make it a bit bigger and then just pinch and pull it through like that, and there we go. It's not going to come undone, and congratulations, you've successfully finished your piece of knitting. I'm so glad you've been on this beginner knitting journey with Little Miss Drop Stitch, so do please consider giving us a subscribe. Thank you and take care.